हेलो बच्चों। तो आप देख रहे हैं कंप्यूटर विज्ञान यूट्यूब चैनल और हम पढ़ रहे थे कंप्यूटर साइंस क्लास 11th complete course, and in this course we'll learn Python with practical and programming approach, and I'm your host Hariom. So today's topic is mutable and immutable data type. So let's get started. So there is two type of data type in Python. One is mutable. Mutable means which can be changed, and address of the data will be the same one. And immutable means whenever we are going to change the value of the data, it will be destroyed and again created. So here let's see the definition. Variables whose value can be changed after they are created and assigned are called mutable, and whose value cannot be changed after they are created and assigned are called immutable. What that means is, in the next slide, let's say first is our int, where we have assigned 100 value, and second we have assigned, okay, let's see by example only. So let's say we are having first and assigned 100 values. Second we have assigned the first, so it will have the same value. Let's print both of the value. First print second and run it. Both are having same value. Let's print the ID of this one. Print ID of the first, and same print ID of second, and run second and run it. Let's see, print second iteration. Here what I want to change in first equal to second plus 100. Okay. Now print these two again. Before that, print the value of first as well. Print the value of first second third again and run it. So in the second iteration, we can see the value of first is now 200. Second is same. First address is changed and second address is same. Right. That means what we were seeing in the example, for the int first and second both are, if both values are same, then it is pointing out to the same address. This is the address of memory. And whenever we are increasing the value of the first, it is now destroyed or left that address and moved the new value to the new address. So it is pointing out to the new address. That means for the integer data type, the data is immutable. Whenever once we have created and assigned one value, it will be persist till the time we are not modifying. Whenever we are modifying the value, it will be destroyed and the new value at the new address it will be created. The same will happen for the float, boolean, complex, string, and tuple. And what is mutable data type? Like list, sets, and dictionary. In this case, whenever we are changing the value in the list, let's say we are having a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if we are changing the value of second element, which is 2 to maybe 7, then the address of the 7 will be the same one. Same for the set and dictionary. But for the tuple, we know that it is immutable, so it will not accept and work like the mutable data type, like sets. So this is about the mutable and immutable data type. Here we are having example. We saw in the practical example as well in this example. So next is deciding which data type we should use in which condition. So list when we are having iteratable collection of the data and frequently change data. Let's say an example we have written here is to the class of the names of the student of a class in a list. So if any new student is gets registered with the class, then it must be added, and whenever any student left the class, it must be deleted. So it is a mutable, and modification is required. Frequent modification is required. Such type of list. So we must use the list for this type of data collection. Tuple whenever we don't need to modify any data type or any data don't need to be added or modified. Like the name of the month is in a year is always fixed, cannot be modified. So we can use tuple in this. Sets when we require a uniqueness of the data and duplicacy must be avoided. In that case, we use sets like article of the museum or a store. So every article having, let's say, having a unique ID, which is maybe man-made generator, or we have generated a unique ID that must be unique. So uniqueness must be protected or must be taken care. So in this case, sets is the best suitable data type. And whenever we required a key value pair type of things like dictionary, so as whenever we are creating a dictionary, we must use the dictionary data type only. Okay, this is about this video. Thanks for watching it. Thank you. Bye.